Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, click the subscribe button below. Today's video is how to reset a phone in Gmail. So let's go to the video first of all. Open the Gmail app, then go to Gmail settings and select the account you want. Then click on Manage your Gmail account. When you go under it, you can see Security and Signs and click on it. When you go under it, you can see your devices and click on it. Then select the phone you want to reset. Then enter your fingerprint or password. Then you will be taken to a website. Then click on Find Device. Then click on Factory Reset Device. Then you are done.